Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs with runny yolk. Place large eggs in a single layer in a pot, cover with cold water by 1 inch and bring to a gentle boil. Cover, remove from heat, and time precisely to get a set white and silky, runny yolk. Transfer eggs to an ice bath, peel gently, and serve warm or chilled. Season lightly and enjoy immediately. Use timing and water temperature to control yolk texture, starting with eggs straight from the fridge. Bring water to a rolling boil, lower eggs gently, boil for 1 minute, then cover and remove from heat to rest for 5 minutes for silky, runny yolks. Use larger eggs as a guide and adjust 1 minute up or down for different yolk thickness. Always finish in an ice bath to stop cooking. Gently crack and roll cooled eggs to make peeling easier, starting at the wider end where an air pocket helps separation. Peel under running water or in the ice bath to lift membranes without tearing the white. Slice carefully with a sharp knife or use a sawing motion to keep yolks intact and runny. Serve with salt, pepper, or a dash of vinegar and enjoy on toast, salads, or as a snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.